In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create or start a new project on KineMaster app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now to get started, first open your KineMaster app and then you will see this interface which is blank, and we have a create option up here. If you go ahead and tap on create now, you'll first need to choose the aspect ratio of your video. Now this depends on the type of video you want. If you want landscape video, then you can choose 16:9. If you want mobile based videos, then choose 9:16. Should you want square ones, you can choose 1:1, and the other aspect ratios are available as well. So if you're making mobile based videos, then it is good to go ahead and choose 9:16. However, if you want TV style or YouTube style videos that are landscape, then choose the wider version, which is 16:9. For my case, I want mobile based videos, so I'll choose 9:16 and then tap on create here. Now once you have selected that, you'll have to give KineMaster app access to your photos and media on your device. So go ahead and tap on allow, and this will take you to your gallery, and from here go ahead and choose the video that you want to add or image that you want to add. So I'll choose one of the videos here, and now here the video has been added to the timeline, and now I can begin editing from here. So if you find that you have added your video to the timeline and then your gallery images are still displaying here, or your gallery videos are still displaying here, look for an X that will be around here and then close it. So once you're done, now you can begin editing your video straight away from here. So that's how you create a new project on KineMaster. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.